Okay, let us continue. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another coding outside every day until I get the job. This is day 152, and we are gonna continue yesterday's one. Not gonna lie, I felt terrible, so I tried to read and find other people's solution to try to understand it, and then again I keep on falling into the trap that it's confusing when it's not. Okay. I don't know why the mouse not working. Okay. So it is the missing letter detector. No. Yes. Okay. So oops. So what we can actually do, let's just redo everything from scratch and try to do it again. Like I saw a solution that is supposed to be very easy and fear not letter that takes into the string. So we have the let alpha bet a b c d e f c d f b h I j k l I b c d f I b c d f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w x y z. And then if I'm not mistaken, it would be like lat_str is equal to string dot char code add. I forgot. Wait, yeah, you're not letter. Like this is such a simple solution that for some reason I couldn't really figure out, and I'm so mad. Like this. Wait, is it this one? No, no, not this one. This one. Okay, no, not this one. Wait, what? Oh, it's using index of. Okay. It's not, it wasn't this one. It was the other one. What? Wait, let me try. Wait, there was an easier way to do it. Why is it not showing? Hmm. No, not this one. Is it this one? I do not remember. For some reason, it wasn't supposed to do that. Okay, 1 second. It was not that one. It was so much simpler. Is it this? Really this one? I guess I was not. Okay, never mind. Oh no, yeah, this is the simpler solution. Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I get it. I get it. Okay, you know what? Let's just use this one. Thank you, Google, for helping us. Sorry, I cheated a little bit. Yeah, it's because it's gonna be the string dot length, because it's gonna grab the end of that string. Like for example, if it's like a b c e d, a b c e f, let's just say. So this start is going to be the basically the, yeah, this one, but it's just gonna choose the index because of the index of base of the string of 0, and then it's just gonna show the index. Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, god damn it. Okay, such a straightforward answer as well. I couldn't get it through. And then we have the function substring as well. Start. Okay, this one I don't. Okay, I'm gonna. Hello, hello, Aurora. Welcome. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is what. Okay. Yeah. So since, yeah. Okay. Let's just say, I'm gonna write it down so that I could see it on like the first run. Not chunk array, but it's not. It's the fear not letter. So let's just say the sentence is A, B, C, E, F, which is supposed to return D, right? Because that's the missing one. Okay, that's the string input. Alphabet is just the 26th alphabet. And at the time start, it's going to be equals to alphabet dot index of string dot zero, and string dot zero is A. So the start is going to be alphabet dot index of A. And since A is also the index 0, start is 0. Same with the N. N is going to be equals to, okay, so first we have the string as the string itself, and then we have string dot length. We can, and the A, B, C, E, F, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So string dot length is going to be equal to 5. And minus by 1, 4. So string is going to be 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that means in the N is going to be alphabet. dot index of f, and index of f on here is basically the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So we get the start and we get the end. And then now we have the range. On range, we use the substring, which basically just gonna cut the total string. And in this case, the alphabet.substring, it's going to take the start, which is the 0, and then comma, and n plus 1. N is 5, plus 1 is going to be 6. 6, sorry. So it's going to take A, B, C, D, E, F, G, basically. Oh, no, sorry. The third one is... Okay, so it's included, but the 0, 1, 2. Okay, so it's just going to grab... It's going to grab... Okay, so it's non-exclusive, so it's just going to be A, B, C, D, E, basically. Right? So range is A, B, C, D, E. So we go into the loop now. And we know the string.length is 5. So let's first start with if string.index of range, since the first one is range 0, it's going to be A. And if A is equal to -1, okay, yes. Because the index of, basically, if that letter or that character doesn't exist, it's gonna return -1, right? There we go. So if it's equals to -1, it's gonna return that range, basically. What do you think about Zen? Should I try it? I mean, I'm curious about other browsers as well. Like, let's try some of those AI browsers. It's gonna leak that's going to leak my important information. But I watched a video about this, like data.serve or data.serve. Like, this is such a cool landing page. It's more like a notebook browser type thing, and it's sort of like, I don't know, I kind of like it, but I don't think it's available on Windows. Is it available on Windows? Oh, it is. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. But okay. Yeah, it's one of those. It's not safe. It's smooth. Does it use a lot of RAM? Since if we go with D is not doesn't exist on the string. That's why it's going to be -1, and we can just return that. Okay, yeah, okay, I get it now. God, this took way too long. Okay, I get it. And if it's not, if every letter is sequential, then we wouldn't need the -1, because the -1 wouldn't just, yeah, it's just gonna keep going to undefined. Okay, let's just go to next. Because holy, okay. Ooh, wow, okay. Well, sorry, I forgot. Which OS do you use? Like, is it Windows, Mac, or Linux? Like, is it good? iterable is 4 of. Which of the following best defines an infinite loop? So first it's gonna run 2, so that's 1. And after that it's gonna be 4, 2, so it's gonna, and then gonna be 6, 8, and it's gonna run 4 times. Because before it reaches, yeah, because it's already 8, and 8, it's, even though it's true, it doesn't, yeah. Is it 5 times? I think it's gonna run 4 times, but it could be 5. God damn it. Okay. My guess is 4. One, two, yeah, so it's gonna run 4 times. Correct. Sorry. Arch, okay, but you're running Arch and Linux as well, so it's gonna be light either way. I'm running this RAM hogging, RAM eating. Are you sure? Is it like 1, 2, 3, 4? No? Or does it still count as 5? Why is it? I don't know. I tested and it just ran 4 times because I guess it's less than, and since it's going to be increment by 2, the moment it hits the 4th, it's already, and when it wants to hit 5, it's just gonna stop, right? Because the condition doesn't allow it to go, or it needs to be less than 10, I would assume. So that's why it's that. What is printed to the console with the following code? Okay. Let I equals 0, I less than if I divided by, okay, you know what? Okay, let's do it manually. So it's going to skip everything that is so it's gonna be 0, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is going to be skipped, 13 is going to be skipped, so it's gonna be 10, it's gonna be 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 is gonna be skipped, 22, which one is modulo of 13? Okay, this is kind of terrible. 24. I'm gonna go with the first one. Probably gonna be wrong, but it's okay. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. Because after 4, it's just gonna break. It's gonna be tomatoes and apple. Okay, so basically this is gonna skip the 2. So it's going to be, nope, it's not gonna start with 1 because I start with 2, but 2 is going to be skipped because this condition if, so it's going to be this one, right? It's gonna be mango, pineapple, and oranges. How many times will the code below output the string in the loop? It's gonna loop forever because this is gonna, there's no increment, there's no nothing, infinite times, yes. Oh my god. Let's go. Oh my god, okay. I'm testing the shorts. 1.5 years, and it's kind of sucked, but some parts are good, some parts. By this point, we all know parts are good, some parts. Sorry guys, I need to be able to uh get the AdSense, you know. I need like around 1,000 more watch hour. So since the video is 8 minutes, okay, so let's just ask ChatGPT for this. I think I already asked it before. Okay, I have an 8-minute video and need 1,000. I think it's 1,200 or 300, but let's just need 1,300 hour of YouTube watch time. How many views do I need? So yeah, this is the ideal. Okay, I need 9,000 views, but of course nobody is watching the entire thing, so it's probably gonna be needing around 13,000 or 15,000. So, or even the 20, because I guess this is like the most realistic one. And I just realized we hit 800, and thank you for everyone subscribing and joining the journey. Okay, working with types and objects. Okay, yeah, I really want to try to make more stuff, more videos besides just the streaming, just so that at least we could earn something a little bit, since we couldn't get a job yet. But yeah, what is string object? How does it differ from string primitive? Okay, let's do it. Working with JavaScript fundamentals again. String primitives. And I want to apologize as well. I might not be able to do the stream super late, probably only like an hour 15, because I was late editing the video. Okay, so the first one, I think they both will be hoisted into. To be honest, I don't know, because if I remember correctly, this is also the type as well, right? This is type string and this is type object, so it's gonna be false. But okay, so it's gonna be true then. Yes. Okay, so it actually works. String primitive can change their value. Is that correct? Okay, string primitive later. Okay. The toString method is a fundamental feature that converts a value to its string representation. This method you can use for numbers, object, one of the most common. So convert number to its representation. This method accepts an optional radix, which is a number of 2 to this is radix represents the base such as base 2. Ah, okay. You can also use the toString method to convert arrays and object. This is the one that we tried to do yesterday, but apparently it doesn't need to be that complex, apparently. Ah, so okay. Okay, let me write that down. So if it's number and undefined, it's gonna return not a number, but if it's number and null, it's gonna return 0. I'm not sure about this one. When you have a function that sets data set. Or even handler, okay. Hello, nerds. Welcome. Hello, hello. Which of the following is a good name for a Boolean variable that is logged in? What's a good naming convention for a function that is product? So get product. Which of the following should you do if you're working in an established code base or with a team? Stick to naming convention for variables and functions that have already been established. Boom. Nice. How do you get the length for an array? How can you create an empty array of fixed length? First outline properties. It's possible to have arrays with empty slots. What do you put? Does this one work as well? Oh god, okay. It's another lab. Probably the last few lab we're doing. How do you exactly reverse a string? Yeah. My idiot, not idiot, but my brute force method is that let's just say we get hello, Hello. We split them and like switch the sort of like, I know there has to be like a reverse method, right? Oh, okay. No. No? I thought there was like a reverse. Oh, it's an array. Okay. I mean, if you want to do it terribly, we can use this. Uh, but I know we're supposed to use some sort of loop, right? But okay, you know what? I'm gonna try to use the reverse, even though I know it's probably O of n squared or something, but so we have the to array, to arr equals to string to array. Is there like a to array method? No? Okay, no, it's a different one. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not a string method, but split. We can do split equals to string dot split. Do that. Return split dot reverse. Okay, no, it's not gonna work, but it's not gonna work, is it? Ah, it's an okay array to string. There has to be a better way to do it, right? Okay, no, never mind. Any ideas? Okay. You know what? No, no, no. Let's find another way to do it. There has to be a better way to do it. Because this is just terrible. It should return a string. Wait. String array. JavaScript. Okay, so it's split, reverse, and it's actually joined. Okay, no, it's not. It doesn't remove the thing. Hmm. What if it's like this? Oh, never mind. That actually worked. Let's try it again. I know there has to be a much better way to do it, like a much more efficient way to do it, right? Like, howdy? Need how? Okay. There has to be a much better way to do it. I know there is. There has to be a better way to do it. Do it with a loop, right? Can you show me? How should we do it in a loop? Like, I know this is definitely not like um it's not like efficient. I know. Oh boy. Okay. Remember, you can iterate through an array with a simple for loop. Okay. In this lab, we'll build a function that returns an array consisting of the largest numbers of each provided subarray. An array. Array. What does the largest supposed to mean? Oh, it should return the biggest out of. Oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be hard. And you'll understand more about what you're using. Okay. Any. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Reverse string. Yes. No, no, no. How do you reverse a string in place without the reverse method? Is there any, yeah, with a loop solution? Okay, there we go. We can use a loop. String should become howdy. Okay. Ah, okay. We use split, reverse, and then join. So okay. My version is just a. Yeah, this is actually exactly like this. Okay, so it's a decrementing for loop, right? Okay. 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 Okay, got it. Yes, oh my god. You can initialize it using whatever value you want, right? Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is using recursion. Even, huh, okay. If str is empty, it's gonna return that. Okay, yeah, okay. I definitely pick the easiest because it's like a built-in method there. But okay, so the decrementing for loop, I think it's what they're after. Huh, okay, understand. Okay, got it. Yeah, yeah, true. Okay, this one is going to be a bit hard, not gonna lie, because I don't know how. Okay, largest number finder. Holy sh. Okay. So I think we're going to like is it a double for loop or is it like a does it like iterate through like I think it's double for loop, right? If it's like the terrible one, and I think so. First, we want to iterate through the array 0 and basically have like God, I don't know the name. I don't know the name. I don't know the name. After the members and their forks are gonna use. I know. Listen. With the current RAM pricing? Oh hell no. I don't know, man. No, no. How can I? There has to be like either a double for loop or something, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to do this to be honest. What's the task? Finding largest number. There has to be like another variable to kind of like locking it in. I don't know what. Oh my god, it's a lead code question. Okay, never mind. Oh, okay. 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 So okay. So okay, that's true then. Using method max. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. No, that changes everything. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Can we use to find the maximum? Okay, so this is nice. Okay, let's experiment with the method max a little bit. So method max that should return not a number. Okay, that's not good. Does it not work that way? Yeah, that's what we want. So I think the goal is to return an array containing the value that are the largest of its subarray. Yeah, yes. That's correct. Can you do that? Oh, you can. Okay. Huh. Okay. For loop is correct for a starting point. The task is asking for every subarray. So that just tell you that you need to iterate over each item in the parent array. Okay. For let I equals 0, I less than or equals to array dot length. Huh. True. Okay, wait. Let's go back to, I forgot which one was it. No, it doesn't work this way. No. Almost there. Okay, so I can just do that, right? Yeah, but push what? Yeah, no, it doesn't. No, no, is it? No, it's not like this, right? If you spread it, it's no longer an array. Got it. Okay, because it's gonna be copy of the array. So this is already correct. So how can we? Can we just return math.max array? If you return in a for loop, you're exiting out early. The task is do this for each subarray. Okay. How can we like iterate it to like a new array, right? Or okay, why is it? Because you return. There has to be something wrong with that, right? Wait, yeah. Man, I keep forgetting some basic stuff. Why? Hmm? What? But it doesn't work. Huh? That's it? But it doesn't work. Okay, what did I do wrong? Well, okay, wait. So it's almost there. It's not a number. Okay. Hmm. You need to spread the array. Okay, let's try again. Oh, okay. Now that works. Okay, that works. Let's try a different array. Profile lookup, get word count, the missing letter, longest word, string inverter. It is sentence maker. No, it's not. What was it again? Largest number. Okay, so we need to do that. Okay, so this should work, right? Yes. Okay. Let's try the second test. Yeah. Let's do this one. Oh, let's do this one. And then we can go, where's number 2? Okay, cool. Okay, let's test it. Okay, it works. Nice. Thank you. Okay, this night is probably not, I'm not gonna do too much because it's already almost midnight. Okay, that's actually makes sense. Cool. Okay. Wow. I didn't. That's nice. Okay. Cool. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this pyramid generator is gonna be a looping crazy. Okay. Oh, okay. The rest parameters. We still have so much. I think we only did like add a few from yesterday, so still under 300, so 33%, something like that. Oh, we're gonna get certification. Okay. Accessibility, DOM manipulation, and event. Higher order function, fundamentals. But yeah, okay, no worries. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Did you do the alphabet one? Yes. The alphabet one, and I end up finding the answer by accident. And which one is it? This one. I forgot. Is it largest logic? Longest word finder? No, the mutation algo. It's this one. No, it's not. It's all not this one. Wait, which one is it? Did I forget to save it? Oh, it's this one, missing letter. So it's using the index of, yeah, end up using the index of. Yeah, I end up like, oh, okay, this actually makes sense. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think using the char code would also work, right? Because that means we do not need to make this string here. But okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you, Mr. Harold, and everyone for helping. I hope everyone have a great day. Let me know about the new video. So yeah, share us your browser, and I don't know what should we? Okay, 8 views, not bad, not bad, guys. Let's refresh it. Okay, that is actually not that good. We need to add more views to that because I need like 10,000, but that's okay. Okay, if I could get the similar views as this, I think it would be enough for like the AdSense stuff. But yeah, I hope everyone have a great day, have a great rest, or have a great work wherever you are. Um, Lovely meeting you guys, and thank you for helping me solving this. This lab is gonna be a lot of, yeah, yeah, it should be fun. It should be fun. But yeah, I guess that's it for tonight. I'll see you. I don't know. Can I do it tomorrow? Actually, I think I can do it tomorrow again. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully, I can do it tomorrow. If not, then some other day this week. So awesome.